Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, first of all, we're making sure that Bluetooth's on. It is. We watch out at the bottom, and again you've got audio, video, Bluetooth there. Please connect device, or you've got phone. So we'll click on phone, click search new, vehicle to device. I've just disconnected this phone from this system, so sometimes it takes a little longer when you do that. It's probably thinking you were connected, why do all this? So there you go, it brings up my phone. To pair and connect phone, enter 4989. 4989. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone, and then if we go further up, there's Jaguar connected. That's it.